Hello Shubh, good morning.
Good morning.
Today shall we try to solve a Sudoku puzzle?
Yes.
Would you like to try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and see how can we solve a Sudoku puzzle.
Okay.
Okay, let's try. Now, come on. Now let's find out which row should we fill first. Would you like to give some introduction that what is a Sudoku puzzle and what
Yes.
are the rules? Can you tell me? Do you remember the rules? Like we have to check rows and columns. Like this is a row. This row should have all the digits from 1 to 6 and no digit should be repeated. Okay. Similarly, in this column we should have all the digits. Every column should have 1 to 6 all the digits and every row should have all the digits 1 to 6. Also, each box which is highlighted with the dark lines, this should also have all the 6 digits 1 to 6 and no digit should be repeated. Fine.
Okay.
So shall we start?
Yes.
So first we have to look for the row which has least number of empty boxes. Like in the first row, what we can see, there are 2 empty boxes. In the second row also there are 2 empty boxes, but if we look at fifth row, there is only 1 empty box. So we need to find out which digit should we fill in this. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. And
So we have to fill 5.
Very good. Now let's see which one can we fill first. So try to find out which is the easiest one now.
The first one is the easiest.
Maybe, or maybe we can do the fifth column. Check out which digits are missing in the fifth column. We have 3, we have 4, we have 5 and we have 6 and only 1 and 2 are missing. Okay, so which digit can we fill here?
1.
Why 1? Why not 2?
Because here is already 2.
Yes, and there is a 1 in this block also.
Yes.
So we need to fill 1 here. And the only remaining digit is 2. So we can fill 2 here. And now if we check this box. In this box we have to fill all the digits and only one box is remaining. So find the missing digit. It's 2 again. Right? Now let's check the last column. Yeah. Which digit is missing? 3 and 5 are missing, right? In column, last column. Right? Why are you filling 3 here? You can see 3 in the first column. Yes. So we should always check that a digit should not repeat itself. Now we need to again check which is the best one to fill now. So check out the first row. First row. Only one digit remaining?
Yes.
Which one is it?
1.
Yes, we can fill 1. Very nice. Now again try to find which row or which column has least number of empty cells or empty boxes.
3rd row.
Yes, third row. And which is the missing one?
6.
Yes, we can fill 6. And if we check first box and second box of 6 digits, we can see there is only one digit remaining, right? Can you see this first box?
Yes.
Can you find the missing digit?
1.
Why 1? 1 is already there in this box. You have to find out in this box.
3.
3 is already there. 1, 2, 3, something, 5 and 6.
4.
Yes. Now check for this box.
There is missing 1.
Yes, and 1 is already not present neither in this column nor in this row, so we can write 1. Now if we check this column, there is only 1 digit remaining.
Yes.
So can we find out the digit?
4.
Yes, and you can verify this in this box also, that there is only 1 digit missing, that is 4. Now which row or column? I think we can go for first column. First column.
Yes.
Yes. So find out the missing digit.
1.
Yes, we can put 1. Right?
Right.
Okay. Now let's see second column. Let us try to find out the digit in second column.
3 and 5.
3 and 5 are the missing digits. Now where should we put 3 and where should we put 5?
3 here and 5 here.
Why?
Because 3 is already here.
Right. 3 is already here also, and in this box also we have 3. So we need to put 5. And now only remaining digit is 3. We can put 3 here. Now it is very simple again.
Yeah.
Now we have to check these 2 boxes for the missing digits. So check the second box. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have something missing. Then we have 5 and then we have 6. So what should we put here? The missing
4.
digit? Yes, very good. And now there is only 1 remaining empty box. Can we find the
1.
number? Yes, 1. I think this is complete now,
Yes.
and very simple also.
Yes. So bye bye for today.
Okay, bye bye.